The iOS 26 beta has been released, and I'm sure you can't wait to experience it. In this video, I'll walk you through how to upgrade to iOS 26 beta safely. Before you install, keep these 4 things in mind. 1. Make sure your iPhone supports iOS 26. Here's a list of compatible devices on screen. 2. Backup iPhone. Beta version can be buggy and unstable, so it's super important to back up your device in case anything goes wrong. 3. Make sure you have at least 5 GB of available storage for the download and installation. 4. Keep your iPhone plugged in and connected to a strong Wi-Fi network throughout the process. Now open the App Store and download the Apple Developer app. Sign in using your Apple ID. In Settings, General, Software Update, you'll see iOS 26 Beta now, along with other beta versions. If you don't see iOS 26 right away, try restarting your phone. If you are experiencing issues such as stuck or failed upgrades during the beta upgrade, or want to downgrade to iOS 18, iPhixer does it all. Click the link below the video for details. And if this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more iOS tips and updates.